Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular cameras for all you photography and videography enthusiasts out there. We have the Panasonic LUMIX S5 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. We'll be looking at various features and categories to help you decide which camera is the best fit for your needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let's get started. Starting with the price, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 comes in at $2,899, while the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is priced at $999. Both cameras offer great value for money, but if you're on a tighter budget, the Canon option might be more appealing. When it comes to video quality, both cameras excel. The Panasonic LUMIX S5 offers extraordinary 4K 60p, 10-bit video, FHD 180fps slow motion, and 4:3 anamorphic support. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit boasts 4K uncropped movie with dual-pixel CMOS AFE at up to 30 fps oversampled from 6K and Full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 fps. Both cameras will deliver stunning and cinematic video footage. For capturing still photographs, both the Panasonic LUMIX S5 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit perform exceptionally well. The LUMIX S5 offers 96MP high-resolution mode, dual native ISO for minimizing noise and high sensitivity, and V-Log versus gamut with 14+ stop dynamic range. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 offers a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, producing detailed and vibrant images. When it comes to autofocus and stabilization, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 shines with improved high-precision autofocus that includes detection of the head, eyes, face, and body. It also features 5-axis dual IS-2 for 6.5-stop slower shutter speed. The Canon EOS R50, on the other hand, has dual-pixel CMOS AFE covering up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones, making it easy to capture subjects with precision and accuracy. In terms of versatility and compatibility, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 works with all L-mount full-frame digital cameras, making it an essential lens across the LUMIX S series and beyond. The Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit offers compatibility with RF lenses, ensuring a wide range of options for different shooting scenarios. And that wraps up our comparison between the Panasonic LUMIX S5 and the Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit. Both cameras have their own strengths and cater to different needs. Ultimately, it boils down to your personal preferences and requirements as a content creator. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.